my channel. This is Yohei Kamiya. What's up? So today I'm going to make again Mentaiko cream pasta. Sounds good? Last time I made a Mentaiko pasta, so let me explain one more time again, very quickly. So Mentaiko is actually cut raw and spicy. I mean, people call a spicy cut caviar. Okay, if you want to know about the Mentaiko, please check the last video, Mentaiko pasta. So let's cook it. Okay, ingredients: olive oil, garlic, chili pepper, and Mentaiko. So this time I use Mentaiko paste. So this is very comfortable. Kanefuku from Japan. Butter and dashi. This time I use powder dashi. Soy sauce, spaghetti. It's up to any size. This is kind of thing. And shiso leaf, we call it oba. And seaweed. This is kizami. This. This time I use Shimeji Mushroom and heavy cream. Cut the half. If you take out this part, you can get this really good garlic oil. Take out the seed, chili pepper. Now making the garlic oil. It's ready. Put one piece of butter. Put butter around Shimeji mushroom. You cook the mushroom slow cook. That's the mushroom juice come out is nicely and tasty. So let's get the slow cook. This time I don't have clear soup, so I put the dashi, which is powder dashi. And then next I put the dashi. And 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Heavy cream. And put the Mentaiko. So mix as well. So I taste the sauce right now. Perfect. Mushroom flavor and Mentaiko flavor and the cream and dashi mixed together. So good. About the 3 ounce pasta. Salt. 0.5 or 1%. So this pasta said 10 minutes, but I want to cook 8 or 9 minutes. I make al dente. When you're making pasta, don't boil in too much, like in the middle. Take out here and grab here. People use tongue, but I prefer to use chopstick. That's easy for me. over. So al dente is the best way is if you take out, maybe it's difficult to take a video, but inside you can see a little bit white part. That is the best way, al dente. It's difficult to see here. Okay, it's done. I just want to taste one more time. It's, of course, sauce is good. I taste already. And the spaghetti, the texture is so good. A little bit hard. It's perfect. Japanese cooking number 7, Mentaiko cream pasta. Thank you for watching my channel. Now I'm going to eat Mentaiko cream pasta. It's so good. Oh, I forgot. いただきます。It's so good. Yeah, it's so good. I put the butter and shimeji mushroom, and I slow cook. So shimeji mushroom juice is tastes so good, and dashi and cream, mentaiko. Those drinks is mixed together so well. It's good and tastes like so rich and so tasty. Wow, this is perfect. Okay, today I'm going to eat with red wine. Sounds good? Again, thank you so much for watching. ありがとうございます。So see you next time. Oh, one more thing. Please subscribe my channel so you're not gonna miss my channel. Thank you.